Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be creating a home decor using these Dollar Tree ping balls, and you can find these in the toy section. And I'll also be using a wire hanger. The first thing that I'm going to do is start working with the hanger, and I'm going to remove the hook from it. And then I'm going to start bending it, and what I want to do is create a circle or a wreath shape. This hanger that I'm using has a very thin wire, so it's easy to mold it into a circle. Now I know there's other hangers that their wire is pretty sturdy and hard to bend. But for this project, you do need a flimsy hanger. So I'm going to continue working with the wire until I finally get the circle that I am happy with. And then with my wire cutter, I'm going to cut off the end that has the little swirls that I couldn't straighten out. Starting with the plastic balls, I'm going to start making the holes with my glue gun just like I did right there. And then I'm going to flip it over to the opposite side and make another hole. And now I'm going to pass the ball through the wire. And I'll be repeating this step several times until I fill the wreath with as many balls as I need. I am going to leave a space so that I can add the floral. So that's why I'm not going to put any balls in that section. I ended up adding 14 balls to my wreath. The next thing that I'm going to do now is just bring the two ends together like this, and I'll be using the zip tie to join them. Next, I'm going to wrap around some floral wire, and this will give it extra security. And of course, this wouldn't be completed if I wouldn't add some hot glue. Next, I'm going to start painting the balls, and I'm going to be going in with the color Latte. And this will give the balls the wood look that I'm looking for, almost like those beads that they sell at all the craft stores. So that's why I chose this color Latte. You could also paint them any other color that you would desire, perhaps a color that would go with your home decor. Next, I'm going to be adding some ribbon around this area where there's no balls. And what I want to do is kind of create a platform or a base for my florals that I'll be hot gluing. As you can see, all I'm doing is just wrapping the ribbon around the wire. And as I'm going, I'm also flattening the ribbon. The ribbon does have a wire in it, so it makes it pretty easy to kind of form it into a flat surface. And now I'm going to go in with some hot glue just to make sure that the ribbon doesn't move around. Now that I have my base, I can start adding the greenery and florals. And I'm going to start with the greenery on each side. And then I'm going to go in with some pink roses in the center. And then I'll be adding some white flowers. I pretty much had a vision in how I wanted this wreath to look like. I did want it to be simple and it have a little bit of florals. But for the majority of the wreath, I wanted it to have a lot of simple green or light greens. I thought that it would go really pretty with these faux beads. You really can use whatever floral that you have on hand. This is actually what I had. I have not gone to the store to purchase any flowers or anything. So this is what I had and this is what I used. that's it for this video. I really appreciate you stopping by. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and also share. I'd really appreciate it. You have yourself a blessed day, and remember, love, laugh, and create. Until my next video, bye-bye, and God bless.